Ever wondered what led to the infamous Gunpowder Plot of 1605? Guy Fawkes, a key figure, had strong motivations against oppression. The plot aimed to blow up Parliament and kill King James I. Fawkes and his conspirators wanted to end Protestant rule, but the conspiracy unraveled when a warning letter was sent. Fawkes was caught guarding the explosives in the cellar. The aftermath led to severe punishments for the conspirators. Bonfire Night celebrates the foiling of the plot every November. People burn effigies of Fawkes, remembering the failed plot. The legacy of Bonfire Night is a mix of celebration and reflection.